So hello everyone, as you know that we are completing all the PIQs chapter wise for CSET for UPSC, and today's chapter is your average. So let's start. Okay, this is your first question. Read the question. The sum of the ages of 5 members comprising a family 3 years ago 80 years. Average nahi, total sum. Okay, just see this. Member 5 3 years ago, the age is 80 years. Now tell me 3 years ago. Now tell me what will be their average. अच्छा, average तो आपको पता ही होगा. Average means total sum by total number. So total sum is 80 and total 5 people are there, 5 members are there. So average is 16. 80 by 5, that is 16. Okay, I hope you know all of this because you are giving UPSC. Okay, so the average, now see, the average age of the family today is the same. Today means after 3 years. Now after 3 years the age will be, they are saying average is same, 16. Average is same because of an addition of a baby. Abhi na, this 5% became 6%. Okay, and average is same. Average age is same, so definitely it has to be 96 years. Total age would be 96 years. But देखो, before 3 years their total age was 80 years. After 3 years 5 people after 3 years everyone will increase by 3, so 15 years will be increased. है कि नहीं बताओ? Because before 3 years 80 years, after 3 years plus 3 for one person, plus 3 for another person, plus 3 for another person, so total sum हो जाएगा आपका 95 years. But according to our solution there was 6 people and average age was 16, so 96 years. So 1 year का addition आ रहा है, 1 year extra. That 1 year is the age of that baby. So the age of the baby is 1 year because देखो 1 year extra आ रहा है ना, so the age of the baby is 1 year. Got it? चलो next. Okay, the average monthly income of a person in a certain family of 5 people in a family, average monthly income is 10,000. अब देखो total कितना income हो जाएगा? 5 person monthly 10,000, 10k, so it's your 50,000. Got it? What will be the average of monthly income of a person in same family if the income of the person increased by 1,20,000 per year? अब देखो, अच्छा, per year and this is per month, so per year average this one 60,000. ठीक है ना? 6 lakh. Okay, now one person का income ना got increased by 1,20,000. So just write here, देखो, one person's income increased by 1,20,000 and that was the income of 5%. Okay, 5%, 60,000. So यहाँ से ना एक आदमी का आप इनकम निकाल दो. ऐसे करो, देखो, जस्ट एज्यूम 5 people average is 10,000 ना, तो इसको ना आप ऐसा करो, just take 4 people average is 10,000. Okay, 10,000 नहीं हो सकता है, but still is there any shortcut? Average, yes, हो जाएगा. चलो, just think average age is 10,000 ना, so एक आदमी तो वहाँ से चला जाएगा because someone's income will be increased by 1,20,000. so आपने इसको ऐसे मानो 4 people 10,000 per month and for 12 months it will be 48,000. ठीक है, 4,80,000. 4 person 10,000, okay, 48 and 4,80,000. yes, 4,80,000. And now one person income हो गया आपका 1,20,000 extra. So now the total income is 60,000. Sorry, not 60,000, 6 lakh. Now the income of the family will be divided by 5 because 5% over there, the 12,000. Chalo, So 12,000 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer if I'm not wrong. Am I doing something wrong? No, it's the right answer. Monthly income बोला है ना. This will be your 12,000. I'm doing something wrong here. I misread. What is the monthly income, average monthly income? If someone's income increased by 1,20,000, it means monthly it will be 10,000. 10,000 ना. चलो 10,000 increase हो रहा है. 10,000. Okay. So 10,000 increase हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So the answer will be 12,000 only. चलो. Because 10,000 increase हो रहा है and 10,000 will be divided among everyone. 10,000 by 5 it means 2,000. Okay, because 10,000 increased हो रहा है and 10,000 will be divided among everyone. That's why it will be 12,000, because first 10,000 then 2,000, that is your 12,000. चलो next question. Suppose the average weight of 9% is 50 and the average weight of 5% is 45. First 5 and last 5 is 55. देखो कैसे बोले है ना. Suppose there are 9%, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and the whole average they are saying 50. So total क्या आ जाएगा? 50 into 9, 450 kgs. Got it? First 5% average, first 5 na, they are saying 45. So what will be the total? 45 into 5, that is your 225. And they are saying the last 5%, so this will be this last 5%. So this is your 55 average and into 5, that is your 275. ठीक है, 275. Now they are saying what is the average of 5th person? Now check 5th person counted twice, once here, once there also, and see the total. Now it got increased. It's your 500, but it's supposed to be 450. Total age supposed to be 450, but it became 500 because we counted 5 number 5% का age twice. So कितना ज़्यादा हो रहा है? 500 and 450. So 50 extra आ रहा है because we have counted twice. That's why this is the age of 5th person, 50 years. ठीक है, चलो next. Okay, this is a nice question ना. The average rainfall in a city of first 4 days recorded to be 40 inch, or if you just assume 4 inch. Okay, 40 छोड़ो, answer में भी 00 छोड़ो because 00 doesn't have any value. चलो, so it's yours 4% का ना, so it will be yours 16 inch, 1.6 inch, not 16, 1.6 inch. ठीक है, first 4. The rainfall on the last 2 days in the ratio of 4:3, keep that in mind. The average of 6 days, now they are saying the average of 6 days is 5, so it's your 3.0 inch. 3.0 inch. Check for 6 days the total rainfall is 3 inch. For the first 4 days, देखो, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day and sixth day, for whole it's your 3 inch, 3.0 inch. For the first 4 days it was 1.6 inch. ठीक है, so definitely the remaining days will be your 1.4 inch because 3 होना चाहिए. Now 5th and 6th days rainfall is your 1.4 inch and the rainfall divided into 4:3. So कितना 5th number day पे कितना होगा? 5th number days ratio is 4. 5th number days ratio is 4. 4 out of कितना? 7. 4 plus 7. And total rainfall in last 2 days 1.4. 1.4. से काटेगा तो it will be 0.2. So 4 into 0.2, that is 0.8. So this is your answer, 0.8 inch. Because 5th day is your 5th day, the ratio is your 4 inch. Okay, chalo. Next. There are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers if 39 is the mean of the first 5 such number. Mean means average. Okay, देखो There are 13 two-digit consecutive number and the mean of the first 5 is 39. So first 5 का 39 होता है ना, तो it means 37, 35 odd numbers, 41 and 43. These are your first 5 numbers. Why? Mean always be in the middle if that is a consecutive series or the series follows any pattern. So middle one is your mean. Now we got the first 5 digits. Now 13 digits लिख दो. क्या होगा? 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57. कितना हो गया? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 59. चलो. So now check which one is in middle because 13 is a odd number. So 5, 6, 7. This one is your average because middle wala will be always average if the series is following any pattern. Okay, or if there is like odd number or even number like that. Okay, so the middle one will be always your average. So this is your average and the 13 consecutive odd numbers were 35 to 59. Got it? Chalo. Okay, that's a nice question. A family has 2 children along with their parents. The average weight of the children and the mother is 50 kg. So देखो 2 children plus mother, average age is 50, it means total age will be 150. Why? Because 3 person are there, 50 into 3. 2 children and 1 mother, that's why 150. Now in the second line they are saying that the average weight of the children and their father. Now again 2 children and their father is 52, it means 52 into 3, that is yours 156. समझ में आ गया? यहाँ पे आ गया. Now check if the weight of the father is 60 kg. So they are saying na weight of the father is 60 kg. Now write it again. So from this equation we can say that we can get the children's age. So देखो 2c equals to 156 minus 60. So 2c equals to 96. Just keep like this. Now they are asking what is the age of mother. Now look for this equation. We got 2c equals to 96. Just paste here 2c equals to 96. 96. Now from here we can get the mother's age. Mother's age will be 150 minus 96. देखो if I write 2c plus mother equals to 150. 2c means children and we got 2c means 96. 96 plus mother equals to 150. So mother's age will be 150 minus 96. So mother's age will be yours कितना रे? 54. चलो 54 is the answer. Got it? Easy one. ठीक है ना? चलो next question. The average marks of 100 students are to be 40. It was found that marks of one student were 53 and which were mislead as 83. देखो it was supposed to be 53 but they mislead as 83. तो कितना ज़्यादा लिख दिया है? 30. To get the correct mean or average we have to reduce 30 है ना, minus 30 करना होगा. But minus 30 from 100 students, that's why 100 students से divide करना पड़ेगा, not for one student, for 100 students. So it will be your 0.3. हमको 0.3 minus करना होगा from the average. So 40 minus 0.3, the answer will be your 39.7. So this is your answer. Easy one. ठीक है ना? चलो next. In a group of class A, B and C, if one student from group A and 2 students from group B are shifted into group C, what happened to the average weight of the students in the class? कुछ भी नहीं होगा because देखो this is a total class, A group, B group and C group. Some students from A went to B, some students from B to C, but all of them stayed inside the class ना, so class का तो कुछ change ही नहीं होगा, so it will remain same. Okay, average कुछ भी change नहीं होगा, there will be no change in average because they are doing that thing inside the class. चलो next question. the average age of teacher and 3 students is 20. It means the total age should be your 80 years total. Why? Because they go teacher and 3 students, total 4 students are there, that's why multiply with 4, total 80 years. Now there is a condition, if all 3 students are same age and the difference between the age of the teacher and each student is 20 years, then what is the age of the teacher? I'll suggest you to do option test. Take 25. So if the age of the teacher is 25, then remaining age will be your 55, and 55 3 से divide नहीं होगा because 55 would be divided by 3 because 3 students are there, so it's wrong. 30, if I take 30, remaining age will be 50. 50 also can't be divided by 3, or if you divide it won't justify this 30. Okay, take 35. 35, so the students age will be your 45. देखो 35 teachers age, students age 45. Now check here, if 45 of 3 students, then each of the students are 15 15 15 15 15 and 15, and all the students, like each of the students are 20 years younger than the teacher. All the students are 20 years younger than the teacher, and the age gap they are saying 20, and it's justifying because it's 20 years younger, he is also 20 years, he is also 20 years younger, so that's why teacher's age is 35, and that is justifying. Okay, chalo next. The average score of a batsman, it's a cricket related question, that's why it will be your homework. Okay, okay, the answer will be 62. Okay, chalo. Okay, it's a very interesting question. There are 2 classes A and B having, देखो A, अच्छा यहाँ पे लिखता है ना, A class and B class having 25 students and here 30 students. Got it? A class has the range of 21 to 17. ठीक है, 21 to 17. B class has the range of, like highest score is here is 30 and here lowest score is 22. Now tell me, for the B class, average can't be less than 22 or maybe 23 24. Okay, but technically average can't be less than 22 because the lowest score is 22, so average can't be less than 22, but it would be more than 22 because highest is 30. Okay, but I'm explaining, that's why in ease of the calculation just think it can't be less than 22 because lowest is 22, so उससे क्या ही होगा कम. For the A, the lowest age is 17, so average can't be less than 17. Average. Now check, they are saying that 4 students shifted from class A to class B. Some of the students, 4 students shifted from class A to class B. Now check, first option, first statement, the average score of class B definitely decrease. Yes, it will decrease because देखो इसका average not less than 17 but not more than 17. अच्छा, more than 17 होगा but not more than 21. Not more than 21. Not more than 21. ऐसा नहीं होगा, not more than 21. So if 21 वाला वहाँ पे जाता है, so definitely the average will be lower. Not, it won't be 22 anymore, it would be 21 or less than 21 because some of the students of less score, some of the students from class A are going to class B with the less score, so their total sum will be reduced. From the class B, total sum will be reduced because low score वाला आ रहा है, so उसका average भी 22 से नीचे आ जाएगा. That's why A तो correct है. Now B, the average score of class A will definitely increase. Definitely तो नहीं बता सकता है, it might be increase but not definitely. So option A is the answer. चलो, A only. Next, the average weight of A, B, C is 40 kg. तो लिख दो A plus B plus C equals to 40 kg. So the total age will be 120 kg. The average weight of B, D, E is 42. B, D and E is 42 into 3, that is your 126 kgs. They are saying that the weight of F is equal to B. They are saying F is B. We can write F and B everywhere. If you see B, you can write F, or if you see F, you can write B. So what is the average weight of all of this person? Now check here, A, B, C, but this B we can convert as a F. So now see there, if I write A plus B plus C, this is this, and here D plus E plus F, because this be converted into F, so their total age will be 120 for here and 126 for here. So total age yours 146. Got it? समझ में आ गया? Total age here 146, 246. Now if you want average, just divide it by 6, because 6 people are there, so the answer will be 41. 41 kg is the answer. Got it? समझ में आया? Easy one? Yes, easy question. Next. Okay. There is a statement, if the average marks in a class are 60, what is the number of the student? Statement 1. The highest marks in the class is 70 and the lowest mark is 50. Just assume highest mark is 70 and lowest mark is 50. In between, how many numbers are there? I don't know. How many scores are there? We don't know. Now statement 2 says exclusion of highest and lowest mark doesn't change the average. Now see, average is 60. Average is 60. If I say only 3 students are there and the middle one is 60, because A अगर चला जाएगा तो average marks will be 60. Now we can make more condition. Highest mark 70. There were 2 people, 60, 60 and 50. Suppose if these 2 people exclude or exclusion हो गया, again we can say that the average mark is 60, because 260 divided by 2, that will be 60. There will be numerous conditions like that. That's why using these 2 statements we can't answer the question. So D will be the answer. The question cannot be answered even by using both the statements, because ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना, 1% 70, 3% 60 60 करके मिला है 50. Now see, 5 students are there. If we exclude this 2, still it's the 60 is the average. तो नहीं हो सकता आंसर. ठीक है ना? चलो, last question. Weight of 6 boys equals to weight of 3 men and weight of 7 girls and weight of 4 women. Now they are saying that if the average weight of women is 63, then what is the average weight of boy? So we can write weight of 6 boys equals to weight of 4 women. So from here we can write, देखो हमको 6 boys का average weight चाहिए. Okay, so we can write 6 boys equals to weight of 4 women. देखो weight of 4 women is given 63 average. So total weight हो जाएगा 63 into 4. Okay, now see. So boys का average कितना हो जाएगा? Boys average will be yours 63 into 4 by 6. Okay, 3 से divide करेगा 2, 3 से divide करेगा, that is 21 and 2. 21 into 2, 42 kgs. So average weight of 6 boys will be 42 kgs. Easy one, just put the values. Nothing is there na. Okay, so I hope you understood. ठीक है ना? चलो, I got stuck in number 2 question na. Let me see again if I'm not making any mistake. Yeah, I got stuck or I confused in this question na. Yeah, I feel like the average monthly income of the person is 5% itna. The average got increased by 1,20,000, so it will be divided by 12, 1,000. 1,000 extra आ रहा है, 1,000 extra आ रहा है, and the average weight. Okay, वो increased by itna, so that will be plus 2000 for 5 people. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Chalo, 12,000 is the correct answer. Chalo, ठीक है. So see you in the next video with a new chapter of PIQ. Okay, chalo, thank you.